Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Steam, stone, stake, state, stop, store, stove, steel, stock, stage, cost, fused, refused, guest, used, nest, vast, costs, haste, waste, justify, elastic, testify, testing, enlisting, statistics, statistical, dusting, beset, bestow, rusty, dusty, tasty, foster, poster, faster, duster, masterpiece, disturb, master, barrister, roaster, toaster, investor, sinister, toasters, disturbs, foresters, first, influenced, next, most, minister, youngest, youngster, largest, first aid, first thing, first week, for the first time, at first rate, first and foremost, next week, next day, next time, must be, law minister, railway minister, state minister, deputy minister, home minister, food minister, you must be, he must be, I must be, they must be. Exercise 40. State, stockist, columnist, vests, dust, lust, most, mostly, test, fastest, latest, excused, enthused, roast, restless, nesty, toaster, roaster, muster, barrister, minister, youngest, costless, masters, solicitors, stars, registers, posters, youngsters, hasty, chest, rest, behest, best, lest, east, hosts, must, invest, listing, supposed, stages, adjust, suggest, stop, steal, almost, costly. Exercise 41. They will have to justify the hasty step which they took in this case. She refused to testify the case which was disposed of today by the jury as it was unnoticed. Honesty is the best policy, but can lawyers be influenced by this? My youngest son influenced him to remove all the posters of the wall facing my house. This post was also refused to him since he had lost the faith of his minister. The stockist lost the case as his solicitors missed the date of appeal of the case. Exercise 42. Voiced, invoiced, announced, honest, amused, reduced, refugees, postal, coastal, mostly, barristers, justifying, kissed, missed, styled, stylish, style, steel, stool, lists, vast, vastly, emphasized, spiced, cast, caused, costs, costly, aroused, aroused, pests, hostile, host, invest, fist, justice, chased, gist. Exercise 43. If you wish to help the artists, columnists, or the best scientists of India. You will have to enthuse and induce them to have a thorough study of the subjects which they wish to pursue. For this purpose, the states should earmark money which must be given to the research scholars in various subjects of study. The business houses should also engage themselves in this task by earmarking enough money out of its annual receipts or income. Such a step will boost the morale of artists, scientists, and the columnists who feel helpless in going ahead with the ideas or research schemes they have. The best thing would be to test the abilities of the artists or the scientists. The big business houses who were supposed to invest in the saving schemes were ready to go ahead, but the small business houses showed unwillingness for the small schemes in the absence of the staff and monetary help supposed to be given by the government. Who will bear the costs of pay and allowances of post office staff, which may be successful or a failure? So, in the absence of investors, the schemes must be discussed by the postmasters. Stop.